So, which direction should your main entrance ideally face for positive energy?
So the best direction to have your entrance should be N4 N5, E4 E5, W4 W5, S4 S5. These are the best direction to have your entrance, house entrance or the factory entrance. These are the main directions in the Vastu.
Which is worse according to Vastu, a toilet in the northeast or bedroom in the northeast?
So both are not good because north is a direction which is connected to the Jupiter, which is connected to the clarity of mind, and north is a direction where you are getting the blessings of the universe. So if you are keeping the northeast in the northeast direction, if you are keeping the bedroom, so that will disturb your sleeping cycle. The person may be into the depression, anxiety, and even if you are about to get married or you are looking for the partner, then you will face a lot of problem in getting married. It has been noticed a lot of time even people didn't get married if their room is in the northeast direction. So it is not advisable. And what is the logic behind it? Because northeast direction is a very pure direction, and when it comes to the bedroom, so you're sleeping there may be the negative energies, so it's not at all advisable. So when you have a washroom in the northeast direction, it is also very, it's not good because washroom is connected to the negative energies, and northeast is the most sattvic and the purest direction in the vastu. So that is a direction where the god is interning into your house, or the positive energies are interning into your house. So if a person have a washroom in the northeast direction, so if you go and check the birth chart, you will find the Jupiter planet being means deblated or reflected, or you can say the blessings of the universe are missing in the person's life. So this is a very important factor, need to be checked. If you have a factory, you have a outlet, make sure that you are not keeping the northeast as a washroom.
North, south, east, or west, which direction is considered best for keeping a locker?
The best direction to keep the locker is the west direction. West, which is connected to the profits and gains. So best among all is a west direction. Try to keep your locker in the west. Even you can keep the locker in the north direction too, because north is connected to the money opportunities. So keeping locker there will help you out to increase your money opportunity and will help you out to save your money too. But southeast is not an advisable zone to keep the locker, because southeast is connected to the fire zone. You can keep your daily income there, like you're collecting any income and you're just keeping there, that's fine. But keeping the locker there will be going to burn out your savings. So it is not an advisable zone to keep.
Thing people commonly keep in the bedroom that can negatively affect peace and relationships.
So one commonly mistake which people do keeping in the bedroom is using red color, because red as a color in Vastu is connected to the fire. If you're using more red color in the bedroom, that will be having more fire in your relationship. So your relationship need to be very calmer, very peaceful. So to have a calmer and a peaceful relationship, try to use the theme of your bedroom should be the white color. So try to avoid red color. Even the yellow color or the golden color should also be avoided in your bedroom for the married couple, because the thing is that yellow is a color which is connected to Lord Krishna. It has been said wherever the yellow color is, it is connected to Krishna resides there. So the energies of the bedroom and the energies of the spirituality are very different. So using more such colors can create the differences in your relationship, and even using multiple mirrors in the bedroom. So if mirror is fixed in such a way in your bedroom where the reflection is coming while the couple is sleeping, so there is a possibility of involvement of a third party also into the relationship. So try to use calmer theme in the bedroom. Try to use cream color, white color. Keeping a peacock feather below your mattress will also help you out to balance your relationship with your partner. You can keep a rose quartz in your room. So try to make your bedroom energies very calmer, so that the relationship between you and your partner is very calmer. So avoid very aggressive energies, and very important thing that you need to take care of, that avoid keeping the god idol or the god paintings in the bedroom. So that also affects your relationship.
Message you would like to give to your followers uh, that they should do in Vastu?
So one thing that you need to take care of, the Brahmasthan has given a lot of importance in the Vastu. So make sure that you are not keeping anything in the Brahmasthan, because keeping anything in the Brahmasthan means the foundation of your house or the factory is not balanced, and that will distract the energy of overall house. So Vastu is not a fearful thing. Make sure that even small remedies can help you out.